True. Awareness is our foundation.
Reforestation is our action.
And together, we are Green Impact.
Imagine a world where forests disappear and wildlife loses its home. That is the reality of deforestation today. That is why we created Green Impact. Green Impact is a website that helps people better understand deforestation. We educate people about the importance of protecting forests, shares the do's and don'ts, and encourage communities to plant trees while finding ways to earn income without harming nature. Our mission is simple: to educate, inspire action, and protect our forests for future generations. Based on our survey, 100% of our respondents believes that lack of environmental awareness and education is one of the main causes of deforestation. Meanwhile, 67% believes that weak law enforcement contributes to the problem, while the remaining 33% believes that deforestation affects both wildlife and local communities.
Our solution is a website where users can learn about deforestation, buy tree seedlings, and support reforestation efforts. Our platform focuses on educating users, enabling action through tree planting, and providing a convenient way to support the environment. The, plat- the platform earns through a small 10% commission on transactions, creating sustainable revenue while supporting environmental initiatives.
For the market, Green Impact brings three key groups. Leading the way are students and youth who make up 50% of our community. They are joined by conscious consumers at 30%. Finally, 20% comes from schools and NGOs working on the ground. For the competition, Green Impact stands out by making environmental action accessible to everyone. While organizations like Haribon, One Planet, and Resilient do vital work, together we all fight for a greener Philippines, but Green Impact makes it easy for you to take direct action today. For the go-to-market, Green Impact spreads awareness through the internet and social media. We also use QR code posters to bridge the gap between physical spaces and on our website. This approach makes learning about deforestation and supporting reforestation as easy as quick scan.
Our next step, since our platform is still a prototype, our next step focus on refinement and validation. We will improve the prototype, finalize content, and conduct pilot testing to prepare for early development and future launch. We are requesting up to 300,000 pesos to support the transition from prototype to early development. 120,000 will be used to refine the platform and technical setup. 70,000 pesos for educational content and features, 60,000 pesos for pilot testing and user feedback, and 50,000 pesos for awareness and community partnerships. Our team includes Johan Abion as our CEO, Adrian Santelices handling business development, and Seth Biala for marketing and research, and I'm Del Cedric Bautista, the CTO. That's all po. Thank you.